Shootout Jumadina Baba Rametimiera my Timarco season on 9 Ebebona Fia PJ Monadi Akibia Ababe Twaso Timiera Montini and Tranane ye won koma ho do na di ni na ze weekend ye bo modena the Bread Power Ghana Premier League no matches out on etimia kosoa ni na be ne the latest update no etimia ba na the Ghana Football Association o maso ye omo abomodin ene aqua blue nature mineral water pin for attransforma co partnership ye be na ye reram ne abomodin etimi edidi di nkomo na aboa amane ma de din pa etimi ediama other news no abobo etimi ediaba fi clubs out on maso head of a gamer ejipeni akos weekend no sere nkomonti die no esietie ene ye be kwa kuram so Ivory Coast no so no yare sere nema city ezanze ne ye sanjina kono ni nyina sampem da ko a ejamede amon Ghana womra ye kwa kobede etia malitima ye form AS Mand na sere mun komo no esietie ne nema no esie kono ye bre ne reram na ya bomode didi on komo akra na bibia adada didi ni abudia bi Michael Saribodu ewo fidie masaso na Michael Komia Jemfi ewo Ricardo Vaswa kramumu etieche na fetiwa adodanko akufuado na jezo munyina kabuma omoboama ne madadi privacy ono okwa amauze agia okika ne made boania na afi imamo ne guys na aka no omunyina kabuma omoboana tutie na dadi era mentino ne yantra ko season no 9 bebo a ye be pije mu na ma seda kese ne nko emfa ema aboafobia omukremu yenya ahodemba eba be transi ejumede ma dondo na beda evizoro bezi adanda moto ni nyoma daroma ye baba betra adwumade no entime nkosa di omadaroma ene ye baba be rabu adwuma na etime ye ma obo heba a medical research center semenka emfanto zebra na baba be romo masoe no mo no efa na komaya ye ho sensem de omudamufu a dwumade omudi ne ma omudi gugugu na kwam no eye ade a efe ye papa boa eyinkofo fisa ha onu mu omo so no etime nya ahoden no mo semenka mfancho zenne unye nsunsanso ya manambo to bra be romo masoe nye sa na komani gina wawu ye ho hwe nye ye eba ne sa wo de asemkese pa ena baba be ramu fia emmoama ne manko yezi oti no etapa wo to aso aye kwankro wa ya so no adini ntime nko owa unze wa koma no ebo pai sana afi o Abuja broso edin wajimu na ananse eboze echo na echo nsa ananse sunye police ni ane oso bana oba becho na se break kakra ewo ya adekitu ebi na bunsa abawafa eno so na nche no otize wa koma no eyo ya na weni so ahyase echi ho otwa akon enyeye na bunso obonso ya ade a ehihyo na eyo ya ewo so ko ne yetimi ehwe ewuramu ehwe sere nema esietie ne eboa ehun se sa ha nubia eno metimi aso ano e dia mantie yobo heba medical research center no so rumuna ye boa mane madadin pa etimi eremanya no nko yesen ya hodo bi wo ho a ene ahyase e dokron kofo ani nyina akwa ye bre ne aboa na yaso ana e dia hepatitis diabetes opeba unye bi uyobi a enam ya na adokru yie papa ana fe typhoid so okinimu hawa ene osa ni nyina no for ani chi mo bo heba medical research center na ye boa na gina na so na ne mandeda yie pa etimi emfa na omubu ejuma Jordan ekokusi memenda anopa nonson abono 7 o'clock am diko ekoku ramsi no numbebo area pamu na che 5:30 pm no na omaponti ko ne en check ye hu bebi a hawo no yembo ane enso ano na so no nya afa hodi opomo a orwani echemu adoato adumanu last stop no bebi aso mame eton do kono na jazo mo sof mame ene di ni me farambai na ka hawo na ton ya na nya anuedu odron ye za weni mra so no na watu anu na nanu wonse do eba ne sa ya na ha dwen kakra ti number ni 0257 472 506 0257 472 506 and 0249 761 508 0249 761-508 niambwa na niamande da din so efama drinks na esmansi yere ko akwa giramu na yetimi anu bia na ema ya hoden sonkono na esamboa maburo nya no yedi edini ye pa nya no nko eye na aba bedi nto na aba ye dodo na aba be hiem no wakra bi odi ama ahoho no ahoho na no ma mu sampa akoya akra de pa ero de aba be na mu nkomo no se di siete mixer 5G era mizo fruit drinks eno na na fa bibia kofo didi on koma mun komo na de ye papa na mixer 5G no ye den haba manu nduaba na aka bu maye etie ma hodin sonko okwa akoye adwumaden wa ye adwumaden na wi a pebinabo onye bi na ba unze beboa na sa hodin na akoko se no asan dia hwemu etimi ra ma we no cafe sembi anim Ghana e wo ma adwen da ebenya no grapes no eye yem niam no adwuma jensen no eyi ntinimu eboa ma nei no moja ni die fusane ye na afi green tea no ena ne shade ne boa ma body shape no utimi nya ne ye kama pa TG mixer 5G na wo abo wi ababo modena wetimi edu adan so mo ana di miso fruit drinks no ababa be rum drinks amu ede organic fruit suso emu api your mango orange apple pineapple any o grapes any o melon na wo jibi na boa unzampa mu ede ye papa faramba ina tonkra ena so atiasi mountain so a ye bo modi ama de paron so nsa ka bi number ni nie 0246 270221 0246 270221 and a 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa na bibia enko ye fama 21st kenek zebra ngaba be romo maso na siate kan komode e ho na ya dwesu no ezan so mo na bo mode ya hihye hu se nipa transia acha ebedu bebi no obonze ne to asinti no etwetwetwe no obransa na wanante na romo ne hye chi obebi se debi no one way ya baba bebubu nti omurura mu sa nkomo na ene unze ni di ne yesiatika na yomo anso ene bebo mode etimi aso ano etimi yede ama enti ye maame ena afi papa mo aya mo kokotena market a obetrans sa kozize nyunu bedwo no oboze ndu bebi na ntini mo twetwon bia ba ko ewo so okọ na wankwankonya ha bia no 21st kene komaso ye enti ye from expert in sciatica ejuma no mo ye eye ni ye pa enye no nko hepatitis stroke diabetes hypertension afi no ya wa wodo na fruity suba besu na ase no ye bo wode ne etimi ahwe na so no wenya wa ya isa ani izeme wo no ze enye zo okọ ya pe ogaze miti yo ya na ye mo aduru dabi omo ewo laba ine ombebo mode adosoro so bebi a adena kwa kodu edu bebi na ho behia se betwa scanner omo mode scan services no eno so omutimi eye na ni 7 say Friday bi after work no to fa ho ye ma massage no ye the machine treatment ne be kan bo se e boss na moja ni die fusani okodu fia onso no wenya na for more than 15 matches Ghana bibia omo ye adwuma Kumasi ahwe overseas junction omo benafre radio boase cancel cortes score junction benyo omo akra do me market o unyo omo sunyane nkranza techima bibia omo ye adwuma 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 niambwa na niamma de di performance o madaroma ye rom ne ni nkoma akra ene niamma de dia 8 p.m. wo Côte d'Ivoire Patamono AS Mand Bobo Kuno Mufi Mali omu jomo na so no man ampem da kwa from Ghana e dia boy ni nyina e the CAF Champions League no we e man de no third edition no obeki ya the maiden edition no yenya Hazakes ladies a omu konkodi ekọ ne koko rom the grand finale a Mamelodi Sundowns Masandawana omu man bo mo de echi omu etimi eti omu na second edition no na nkiri nsa ampem da kwa ebekọ wafu no na ne omu ti omu a omu ntimi rom third edition no omo konkodi akwa mo first game no omo chi AS4 etimi ebo mo eka mienu mo timu baako fa for na ne omo ye defending champions no omo modern e di aka omo nti omo second game no e game na ekoso a omo ni team from AS man do omo efimali no e de bebo ni mu nkomo no e na atwemen coach efeni Jo na adakwa e de biza coach ni eni nkomo akra na game na nkasa ne mu kom no sena musia kom komo no se na coach bo mo de jai
we are not done yet. We come to the second game with determination and everything so that we can win the next game. Yeah, we are done with the first game. We are happy and we are going to work towards that game. We are not going to sit down and say we have won the first match, so we are going to sleep. We will keep on working hard so that we can win the next game. And say true, we want to be at the top of the group. Yeah. Oh, we watched them the other day. We play first game and they play the second game. We watch them, but we can't bring our arsenals for people to see. So we are going to hide it and bring it. We want to surprise them, so we are not coming out with our arsenals. We won our first game. We are happy about that.
Etiano ye command your bomb de to ya chezampa omo wini omo first game no omo akonkodia omo eko mo ni meboa man to tienu ko ye kama pa etimi ede emo na chese muno ya dia na edin ba ni nyina mo no omo wini no no we na wo so bomb de no omo wini omo ni mo omo ahwe omo ka craft se na no mbo wie no eti e wo se ne omo ye adwuma na we no etimi e ba sere bebe boa na group no omo etimi atop amana so ye santo aso didi nkomo Linda usu ansa e play jamere man pem da ko no so no ahead of the game so no den common jai
it's not I mean because the air show no see nyambo chama chi so enya brise e be take win so nyambo cha game no ya kasa bebre na kaka metin dia to dia say determination na e go first match and no one second match e dey fans Ghana fans no way dey my because we were na match situation in team na as I say more fans say it me win game and fans so say win my own na dey boy na expect am say am same support him am fa kuma pa nsanka eji
Etiano ye kobali no so ansa abomode area to ya jezampa omo be hia da support no ze na beba na asa babe to machinti woyo wa ya yensum ne dia ade no didi sa na man for ne abomode na yo mo adwuma ye free man no maso ye ne emra medi nkoma akra ewo Emmanuel Boateng na Emmanuel Boateng bo adwuma ma re ave bobo kono do ani chemo ewo Portugal mre bi atwam na bo adwuma de ma UD Levante na Ghana ni we ne nya Barcelona for ba kumienu miensa na record ya show mo dadada na Aboatia boy and Black Stars ibida ena odidi din command afa afcon ya ba be kono na say no den command jai
and sometimes negativity it's also sometimes affects the players. There are some players who don't have tough mentality and stuff, so I think sometimes you also need to support them in a positive way, and I think we have very very good team. We have very very good players, young players, and they just need some push from the fans and from the sport. So I think this upcoming AFCON, I believe
Etiano ye kono ne Boateng na bomode de je cheze ne yi team no edu bebi ne ekọ tournament ya nkomo bone na yedi ni wechi ne ya na ha adwen kakra bitimi wem zo zi na akwa we kra no hwan ne kokko na akwa we wasan pa una obi a wasan de ball no gina mu ball de wasan na ehye di team say no ozi ya na ha adwen kakra ye wo young team ogiri so mbetimi akọ edwuma abo amane ma koyi peda mana di hia no support ye bomode na ye timi edi amomo na abo amane ma dadi mpa the Ghana Football Association o maso ne omo abomode ane aqua blue natural mineral water ye ne omo isan partnership omo baba bo edwuma da me na mun komo no eni the general secretary ma the Ghana Football Association edidi nkoma akra on partnership a sign no say na lawyer Prosper Senado bomode edi ne 72 dwa.
Once again, I assure you that many more good occasions on their way to Ghana football. On an occasion like this where we announce another partner of Ghana football, it is a joyous one, and I must say that we look forward to even more of such occasions. On this note, you are warmly welcome.
Atiano ye command pimpana bomodin etimiera tuya cheze o sebize bi omo kokro mu hia dodo na etise etiase ti ni aniji semse Ghana ye bomodin etimienye nya partnership awdo no moba ababe boya mane ma dadi ti da se bimra biem ebisa remo mo ni betimi agie papa na boa mane ma dadi mpa nya ono nko a ene remo the Ghana Football Association president Keties Okraku enso didi nkoma akra ono nei partnership a ye ni aqua blue nature mineral water sign so no need 72 dwa.
Okay, I don't. And for the FA to at this point in time have a company that believes not only in my leadership but believes in the leadership of football to the extent that they want to invest their money and their resources into the Ghanaian game, one can only say thank you. We started some few years ago with the agenda that was targeted at fixing the fundamentals of our football. Providing water for our footballers is part of the strategy of fixing the fundamentals. A few years ago, we have to delve into our coffers to use our money to provide water. Sometimes, because of financial constraints, you cannot provide enough. And today, we have a Ghanaian-owned company who are ready to supply all our water needs. The word underlined. All our water needs for the next 12 months. The FA should be appreciated. For those of you who have been involved with football, you would appreciate the quantum of water our footballers consume. They drink a lot. So for the next 12 months, Aqua Blue Natural Mineral Water becomes the official water partner of our football association. Thank you.
Ya kwale a prepare for the KTS Okraku e bo mode editu ya jeza pebeboa ti afi omo bana ma ba beboa ma ne ma dadin pa e da amamo si oni e prepare for Shadrack Akunyenu ono so e bo mode edidi din komo de nam so ama Aqua Blue for ne omo ba aba beboa ma ne ma kuye da ma Ghana football say no 72 ja.
I mean, we are joining them as the official water partner for the next year. It's truly a moment of pride and honor for us at Aqua Beverages Limited. We are the proud producers of Aqua Blue. As CEO of Aqua Beverages Limited, I'm thrilled to share the excitement of our collaboration with the Football Association. We believe the partnership is not just about providing refreshment, but also about fostering a sense of togetherness and unity through the beautiful game of football. Our partnership with the Ghana Football Association is a testament to our dedication to promoting unity and the spirit of sportsmanship within our country. We believe in the potential of our great nation, and this partnership with the Ghana Football Association is a step in that direction. We look forward to contributing to the growth and development of football in Ghana.
Tiano ye command e pimpa na bomo de retu yanti ni afi ba ko yere ze niama de dadimpa bibia be ko yi na afi Aqua Blue for abomodin aboa na e ba no nsu ho sensema ene omo de Ghana Football Association akọ partnership omo heda e bibia dadin menya menti ye ze de Ghana Football Association be kia congress e call so no the free president kan ze ni ombe support division 1 teams no 48 no obi abe say 80,000 Ghana cedis so omonje na omo fambo omo bra sanse season e chance ya na sika semwa anti amete no de cheze ne omo ayentutia team 48 no obi abomodin abese 30,000 Ghana cedi akọ etimiera mo so monje emfa nhyase na enwewrem ne mboa na bibia ande da ye pa entimi emfa emo montie no so no enkomo ababa bewrama mede etudwa etimi ede amana Wolsenata Willie Sky MTN Free Cup chair no na pipa na say last season niema na eto no ene bibia Sky si kokuku du ya du bebi no points atete e ba menam so man qualify mama me Romo Premier League no say ka ketu abi ka football no see na nka obomode aye no
man ka say embu abo na me but at a point in time kwa de bia kwa nka bejai but I wo hwe investment awria shim na wo hwe nkwala no sene it is some life attending around eboa omo ne ade na it's difficult for you to abandon them, and especially so ka so wo ton so a ebo bia nkofo be bobo achiro na ebufu, especially so wo ye football ni ye pa you are spending over 50,000 Ghana cedis every month on nkwala no it is obi ka chiro say business I was spending 50,000 a month obi ka chiro say obeto be ma 200,000 since as or you know it becomes difficult letting go, and it's but I'm happy say Mengi well.
Tiano ye command e prepare fene Wolsenata honorable no Willie Sky na no sampo didi din command so de nyame asepa ze one give you up na adeno bibia na ekeka kono na ani nyan kakra ye brese abana ya babe to ansem no so na ma bi heba clinic semen ken fancho zebra na bra bi roman aso na ejuma mamia bi e bona no edem papa ne nyina ansa bi drunkutu na obo modern e man for the job ya isa eni ejuma na oye no nyame na no so ya anwade pa etine oye oba na be bema niama de dey remo ma me na so no beboa na niama kue da ma na oye bema wade ni so ama girls no ne mu twa mpo ni nyina nso mo ne wa ya yi na wie no na omo de nam akwa wu na na no de na de nice nkruma emu so kra ansa nye den afi osamba sinani ma obo so ha na bozo ni adaya na ohome tete sa he ebema de ayase common kan hyehyɛ ne ho was a match ne seti a ugya mema nyina na mu na kwa na wapimie ni ahuzampa akwako na chibe no waba bepem na nyina no maame ne se boa obeba ma ne no owaisa no wade ni so ano na kwakwa ko du bim nation after no so no muna ayemre no obema mu ayeden ɛna afi su kura loan spend count na wo so a ɛnanso ama fia ye gidigidi no wasa boa na no so no wayere fi obebi girls no yese bosome so na account dwen dam ya ye how ama infi ono na ebisi basa akwa obema bibi achiche ebe ya akono na asundua befie kama pa koko ewo so yiri fie na ade ba kwa maame ne pono modern pe na so man kofo ebora ba so etwa ya ye se twa ya ye wo so a ni nyina mo maame na boa na ye ntote ehwe na wetimi yi fie zanzen kofo awdo na ena nyame nam no so a omabomode etimi ajo ma ya isa seka se on sensem de o ne de kremzie de o hoye mpana baby e ade kete kra kwada na ezi onyi ndu baby obefimu no ze abe heba clinic o maame abe ewo no obebo modern na nyame afa no so ama na nya nkwatenten tu kwa seka test no ye scan test so no e wona so ye tano so apatrapa new site obena apatrapa junction number ni 0243 345392 0243 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 niambwa na bibia anko ye pen fama Sompa sika promotion anope bia unze 9:30 na boze gban na wabomode ahase na wutwa unya twa nko abedi ye jedwa Sompa sika promotion de yanze wenye du mfie du nwotwe na wenya no o momo ze wabomode na omomo no sika da so a o qualify fa code no na fato ene la je atumti wentwidie bia enim star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash obonze bebie yo Sompa kumase na watwa de agumo ho Sompa sunwane mo amowo abono patam no mafe no ena mo amowo isbono no mo so mafa Sompa nkranza na mom no unye nufie du wotwa emfa ho nhimizanza agro no empinfo ne dia omudi ne yeboa ma bibia akoyie pa etimi ede ma Dawood mpemvozementoza envrozebra na bra be ramo maso ye ne emboa na ne ya wa hodo na edu nya no yentimi enyi emfremfi oranso no gina na so ye papa ezanze Dawood Heba Hospital Limited edi nu papa ena abidwama so ba ko na Dawood Heba mesha meya five dunya ewa na ma wa yemre onantia na wani suchion afizu kra no untimi ndidi adidi edi ehia obi be didi ewa asase we so ye kwa even so ye kona yakwa akudidi ho ntize undidi na mona de eni zo manum ato umpa dru bia me kanfo de amanse ko na kokoji Dawood Heba mesha ni be na aisa ha no nyina efu etimi era mo na di Dawood 360 capsules no etimi aba usisi ye oya ebe yi ntinimu obegina so na wetimi atra na so na ne makoye de amansa sabro ewo so wa na ntinimu twetwewa eye Dawood 360 capsules no ena eboa wo mo anso na di Dawood ointment na ba obebi oye no ane se wote na de afafa ho ebebo wa bonze ndu bebi no na prince ni na no etimi efi otu aposo no aposo yo ya ewo wa wote se ntinimu twetwewa eye Dawood ointment no ena eboa Dawood ni nupa no oro ani chiemo ewo Heba shop bia pharmacy anase over the counters a obo modena wetimi agibi ewo honom ena afiso no endo no de enom no oye pemfo untimi numbi ena afiso no se nei no unye ndu mfie dumiensa onso untimi enumbi obetimi abomodena wa frɛ number na no etimi edidi nkomo pedodo na to a ye de abrizanse no ana yendu ankofo eguso omo enom 0241 24401 to 0241 24401 to na 0201 681 717 0201 681 717 no do ko na ne kan yo den a also pese hwiedru no Dawood beboa na wanya bi na aboa na bibia adeda di impretimi era ma Bet Power Ghana Premier League outstanding game Monday 5 no eguso koso otakwa akumpa ko ena akwa nsuatreman ewura mo Any Mediama Sporting Club Limited and Diabuenia, a game a year monitor from afar. And meze pedeminya almost be 27 minutes to be a entimia person yon quartana and no scholar you quick romon romo our Mediama so any incomakra unze and chair cra and akuda kwashi mahachi yefano efi manonia wababa join your Zimbabwe ni obano wababa bujuma amane madde di pedi amanona ibisa mahachi se ni ba wabano ne form nanka so deba ebabe romo Ghana no sisi ano send a form ni city e de man no say no bomo de on command the chair.
Like as I said, I would like to thank the coaches for believing in me. It's been a tough time for me. When I come here, my fitness was low, everything was down, and I started to talk to the coaches. They told me like to take it each time like small. So for now, I'm picking up, and then I got an injury, but I was happy to get those 10 minutes. So I'm hoping for the best.
Tiano ye command no orwani HMA na jeze kudawashi mahachi ya bomo de tu ja chezampa odi kambe na prayer do chrono pa na wa prepare sa ne ahode ne be set ba biba esamba bira bara ahode na ba akra na no benya sima du boy nti ore ni mu se ne ma be ku na no coaches no e na omo bobo ma ba so ne ebi say oba ye league no aba be test kakra na o de compare South African league na oba ba be Ramo Ghana na se ni siete e no so se no de nchemu ni jai.
Ghana Premier League is so physical than in South Africa, but I'm happy to come and play in Ghana so that I can gain another experience and bring the experience that I have to the team. Ghana Premier League is
Tiano ye kobero so bomo de kan edify Premier League no see league no mu den na mom na ni age ze wanya kwanya baba be Rama League no obobia no see experience oba be fa no de akon radio no na bibia ade de na no Great Olympics o maso ye general manager na pimpo bojumer mo Oluboy Commodore and e bizo pimpa as a season mo chance wonders ni ehunu kakra na this season a chance ne se na emesi korobe ndia na be kere afa komo si no bomo de timerija.
We haven't started the wonders yet. The wonders is yet to come. What you are seeing is what they call the comedies. Before a good film, they show trailers. What you are seeing are the trailers. The real wonders will start coming. So this one is nothing yet.
Tiano ye komo abomo de atu ja jezo sisi adem ze koma di bi ne ebomo de ahwe na wonders na nkasa no montimi en shase na eto aso bisa no se na no de ana mo ni Blue Jeans for ebomo de a sign contract so mo mame so masene emboa mane mankui na sa contract na mo sign no mfa so de ben en e be Great Olympics se no ebomo de komo de jai.
Players, management, and the board to win more laurels. Whilst it is financial support to go a long way to help us to win the league. That's why I aim for this time.
Tiano ye command ya tu ya chezampa ebeba na ababa bebomo na omahwese league no majiri si omo na so na sere na edidi nkomo no zenesie no manya 70 years eti olida de na jezoli kalipo olidie mani bia de bomo bia omobomo de etimi so mu nkomo no ene bi za coach ano worker zenesie 70 years no eni already mu zo beji league no na omabomo de etimi edi ana se na obomo de nkomo ni jai.
The 70th anniversary for Great Olympics. Are you winning the league for them to cap it off?
That is my wish. Say, me no Olympics, but win the league, you know. Me and Kazano, it's my wish. Say, at least me win the league because me Nania I win the FA Cup. Until a league I may win in FA. My say in my coaching career, no, I've also made a name in.
Tiano ye command coach ano woka ebo wode etimere tudwa yezo rese league no niama didama ebi obetimi age na aboa na bibia akoye pa etimere amano Tiano ye munkoma ode ababa betudwa ebo ara hihye na dadi papa Belpower Ghana Premier League niama didadia ye bo mode na ma D10 weekend etimi ato aso na penhye omo aye no esi na ti ochena na ehya ase Accra Lions ebo Karela United FC Samates ebo Krobia Kumasi Asante Korokona Samates game on Saturday amobo Krobia Kumasi Asante Korokono ere munkomo no nyesere niema sitie no Nurudin Amadu ye coacha obomode agama bu adwumere amasama television za of Koroko game no de no be kan timi era fawo se na pimpa no abomode de jai.
Positive because a big game and only Kotokoba, even not against the team, never against the support. No, I remember even if the form in the hand, say, attack a game from all angles, from the psychological point of view, tactical point of view. And then from all angles, yes, to me, we are well prepared. And some of your results against them, so you have to play about yourselves more than 100%. And then we are on course.
Dialo, Kovale coach Abode, Etiera to an afternoon, the Bizarre on Crobia, Comasia, Santi Kotoko, Omo former, Omo Ekrika Musisi, ne said a name Sikono, and also the Anobe Candia found, saying Obama didn't come off form.
So the American say big teams need if his form is not there, to me you see the teams standing on the popularity to me, especially if players or most of the big games they can use that as an advantage, and their form is not sometimes what you have to look at. How at in terms of play on the field of the day, game how you are going to exploit their weaknesses and then urge your boys to work hard on results. No, not necessarily.
Etiano ye komani wa bomodi area to Johnny in a boahman, Yamadida ye pray team after no, or the message be my fans and see game way a mass win game. Number winia, who be here so member massively na Omababa supporto Samates Bobo Kunusin and also Obomodi Kede found.
As football, we have to win, but we have to do that cautiously. And then it's not that you have to win your mark. They have to support the team. Even if things are very difficult, they should still support the team because that's what we have. And so we'll see how it goes.
Etiano ye komani Obomodi to Jabwa ma Bibia Daddy in Permontino, Ko Nuruddin Amadou Nani, Onso Obwa Wana Saturday on the Crobia Comasia Santi Kotoko, the Abweni Timamriada games in a number Bobo Soa, and Sana Yabomodina Yetimi Apija Yemu. Na yakona diaka erere mana bibia de di fight be da bati asane atuvu obo Lagos City the FC ebo Panda out of Lions be United ebo for akwata no ensu Atreman FC ebo Real Tamale United Dreams FC ebo Great Olympics Mediama Sporting Club Limited ebo Brekum Chelsea ni Diana Football Club so ebebo BPN Go Stars eti eno ye di 10 no enhyehyea ne ewramu no ni nyina ne se nya de keto across ye hwe na ye matches a odo na efio na eboa se be AFCON ne shase a ye betimi a concentrate fully na ya hu se de isi boy game no na niam adadadian na meba na meni tiwa ahwe Emmanuel Champions League ne kakra ebo yo ba ne de also hwe no ewramu kakra na awame report ben na ebo boy de ba.
Let me say Aban Kasano Nyan to say Chrisuti no Munyana Quine.
Man, so mamma, I'm sure.
Aban Yan to say Chrisuti no Munyana Quine. Most reasons not the F in the day banner the MSN Shillan but almost had the next 2 games now Bebono. World Cup qualifiers, Comoros gave no one Madagascar. To almost the mean nobody accessing your might be on the ABC. But government they are coming to see you party and Konya na Juma on AFCON February 9 then contract you na see be renew and number to us or number to us or month to us so day. Echo. But the FNA share say omodi the next 2 games no be access senior maybe. Sanko ye dia they go back again and make sure say they push it. Say Chris Wooten never almost son and son of Marco the AFCON. Say they now Mike Chairman up and they have the belief say change can bring something positive for us. Say you try to the end of day. You know, and they are still standing by that particular instinct. And Omoji to me say next 2 games in here fair enough to assess the obey. List to be Omudi can't post it. Mike 1 I would can't post the list to be said late to you. Yes.
I want post the list to be
a screenshot in a while.
Sir, and I'm here sa list anyway. But one and I'm here no your list no.
Maybe ball list na mo one kasa we hunu no atiase no hunu de omo delete free mu. Na goalkeepers ni Lawrence Atizigi, Joseph Wallacott, Richard Ofori. Defenders ni Ali Duseidu, Dennis Odoy, Gideon Mensah, Abdul Fattah Hamid, Kasim Adams, Nicolas Opoku, Daniel Amate, and Abdul Mumin.
Oh, okay.
And midfielders no, Baba Idrisu, Majid Ashimeru, Abdul Samet Sales, Edmonado, Kudus, and Andre Didayu.
Oh, okay.
ana wingers ne Osman Bukari Joseph Pencil and Esuniama Jordan Ayew ana Kamadi Sulemana.
Oh, okay.
Ana strikers ne miensa Inaki Williams, Antoine Semenyo, ana Jonathan Suwa. But
I must delete. I must delete it. We ne buy I must delete it. Hey. Mate, mesa ba ona ne ma. Ti wa zo ye. The beer kokama. Ye romu kakre AS man against Ampem Dakwa. And the Ghana for your new home part because Ampem Dakwa Ghana ye team or Kwakusia Namo. What the CAF Women's Champions League no. Ti ye new komakra. Why you buy the mame famana yan kan wan sem kakra. Seni city. So mo first game no hebi. O te report in the city. Oma sand the list na ba.
Official Oma sand.
Enwa mate di you hear match no yen ka match no wasem kakra
yo well ene Ghana for Emma no omni Mali for AS Mendy ewo match time 8 p.m. Omo first match no omni AS 5 for the boy defending champions.
Yes.
Yeah, Emma omo show omo 2 omo timite ka 1 but me show match na me who say Emma no like ye Ghana for Emma na Ampem Dakwa omo great advantage ewo AS Mendy for no sentiene ombe win.
Oh wow. There's a name was you need teach you win the beba.
I win the beba.
Mate, me da se pa why? So why titi wa no ma board ye na wo se me ko no kakakra. Na one na ma didi se duane ade ana. Me ka ma bo ho asem ne ade ti wa kakakra ti akomia beba na me ne na hwe. Ti officially a squad na bakra mo press squad na mfanto so mikini akomia ye rura ma na hwe the other news no na Zalibe 355 ya PJ mu na nema enso adida dinti mizia obeba na mama hwe se squad no aye win na ye official na ade ana ti eno a oro mo fanto so na call for a joy
ayi omo ye ho adwuma mo de betu CCC but I'm happy for Abdul Fattah Hamid na no me share even omo ni Lagos City is impressive. And the back was had the kind of game no boss set piece never SJD and consistently is proving. Jonathan Soa has always gone on to be a good player for.
Oh, okay. That is squad and also Lucy boy and Santime. Team Nezio on our friend.
Lawrence Atizigi, Joseph Walacott, Richard Ofori, Ali Duseidu, Dennis Odoy.
Goalkeepers no.
Lawrence Atizigi, Joseph Walacott. Richard Ofori.
There's Abdulmanaf
Nuruddin Ephraim. Defenders Aliou Duseidu, Aliou and his goat. Dennis Odoy, Gideon Mensah, Abdul Fattah Hamid. That means a right back near Aliou Duseidu ni Dennis Odoy. Left back near Gideon Mensah and Abdul Fattah Hamid. And a centre backs no Kasim Adams, Nicolas Opoku, Daniel Amate and Abdul Mume.
And then also Jerome
Opoku Ephraim. And at the injury situation of Celta Vigo,
Joseph and Ajiku
so beba iti Kasima ba
na Baba Rahman Swamba
ba ko good form pa o PO
mama Biggie was all today Biggie
Ombo Blasters asa mo so onyade obeba
Baba Rahman Ombo Blasters
ombo bi
they see Baba ya na dem nyehwe so wo bi
ombo bi
ba oni ze Biggie
monya Blasters. No, because the Omoyeno in that game, it was the worst form of embarrassment that any national team player be facing. One, the fact that boy need to say Obabe boy Magana nekekeno, and any show of commitment.
Yes.
Say player boy and he wasn't just the bad player on the pitch; it was the entire team. The Omodia boy no. I'm out for the time or more for certain personalities within the FA. No, the time boy, which is not fair.
That be any fair.
A club now, ball no ball. And for whatever it's worth, the Baba Bayama Ghana and why. So he concentrates on his club. Most of national team no. After I don't know how many team.
Oh, but
no, my friend personal. I'm sentimental about this. Serious.
Oh, Mickey.
No, maybe many are brave. No, what was that? It is not fair.
Me unim the man yemi apa. The niam you know me man shame pa this baba na me condemn no. One, baba be ball kotoko.
Good.
Ejuma obey ma kotoko kruma no. See a can't left backs a kotoko enya pa. One of the best here Baba Rahman.
Exactly.
And no ye 1 2. Baba ball no obono. Mickey Baba Santi say Ghana phone is a Baba Nyadi.
No, you see, ana meka say e amafo bi trim asem so e ya assume sinti na wenya blasters na bo. So enya nto a enya ntua.
And even at the back where some are crazy, ye can play so much almost so much and found
and she omo ho na mo se omo yade na omo.
Ah, they will play.
Ye be boy your power knesa. Ye be born sa.
Abu they will play.
Ye ni obi any case.
Baba man and the first left back.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
But I come here treat you normal.
Me say
he's not the first player to have been treated.
Wait, any case. Oh, simple. And the money they are all bondi home. I don't know about the ball list. In the dinner, all body DNA. Man, the moment you say no. Oh, ball list. Listen, ni dini. Man, I didn't dibem.
I would travel.
You didn't free my money, di. Hey, Jalo, Mentiasia, Mentiasia, Messiah,
Oboli DB.
More money, DB.
What a ball list.
Oh, ball blaster. Gilly Frim.
Nada baba man is play.
Over Tracy, I will yabre. What is
my time boy and yeah, this is on your debut.
Obian time.
Oh, ball list. Bobo list. Mona Moko Madagascar no wine Comoros. Bobo list. Man funny dim bim.
Obian time.
And I say, man funny dim fan bim.
Na baba man na baba man.
Man tell baby you know.
O Ghana ni. Alonye Ghana ni.
Oh, ball list no. Aha. Nidi
ni by so
down ball list
so I Ghana ni
man enwe ne ho
bova list
baba man no quality player wa blaster
o de opa boni di bi on ka bo
exactly what you yenko elu ball list ne yenko
abu baba the so ne baby obobo no ombo pio
akomia ko wanim
ombo pio
ko wanim
midfielders Baba Idrisu Baba Idrisu Majid Ashimeru, Abdul Samed Salis, Edmonado.
Why are they?
Mohamed Kudus, Andrew Ayu, me.
And also a Yefim, Elisha Usu.
Abu.
Edmonado. How many matches from Obama rest have we did?
There are no camp Kron Kobe.
You see, when you know, I can once a month. Now, sir, what do I
have? Na nya mona da bia enya wo do ahen han na enya wo na da bia ya wo tena aka
asa bodo ahen han
me ba mami bi so ase mami bi so ase bi enya wo na da bia tena aka se o player bi wo ho a o ni team no nya board bi kra mo no ba be do Black Stars a bo no ma mre bi mu ma example se bi se Christian Atu
oh yeah
Atu no nya playing time but we do Black Stars say skill for so bo
example did that you
so bo
by skill for more hey ma Black Stars
hey akomia
skillful
more she ma Black Stars
more ma Black Stars
Meza na Ghana ball no nko na review.
Dia na skillful abo. Edmonado dia no.
Edmonado mwash ma Black Stars. Oh okay, mate.
You see, so we are national team call up now. There should be reasons be a down.
Yes.
Reasons there should be a short term, it be a quick fix, medium term, long term. O share a 2-year period. No be say question way. Sorry. Obi dey say Edmonado. In the next 2 years, then I'll have my Black Stars.
Edmonado.
Aye. Black Stars will be real how many years in it?
Oh, I was no okay. Kako be 2 second years.
So the ball where you know with Sheriff Tiraspol.
Be 2
years. Ball Champions League, you know. So Sheriff ball Champions League be 2 years in it.
Yes.
Good. And we unity at the friend. The plan was after 2 years, he should have been a constant or a regular with a team. Ni mo na nko mokra. Ko ebi of free bench bi ba be bobi anameboa along the stretch wabama players bi aba be sign no particularly Salis Abdul Samed so I think that going forward see ekoye ni mo a menya sure say ebetimi de na to Edmondado so and obaso a on man bebo tio 2 things say oh friend no oba bebo a it means he's doing the immediate need here our national team name which is playing. So it means he's somebody we can rely on in the future. No, we can't rely on him because obia when ya kwenya we see akanya wa hwe ne bia na say on said then ya rehye say we no betimi abo. So why don't we use that slot to open way for other players to also come and justify why they should be part of the squad?
So mebao on midfield we now can. Thomas Partey cause of prayer.
Partey absent.
And you say last time now your boy was Elisha Usune when a boy midfield on a party one. Your boy Irene.
Elisha Usu.
Say Elisha started.
Partey.
Na Partey. And a Salis Baby Partey as a second.
Yeah.
So we say Partey or the Ancamia show Edmond Bebao. And say who choose between Elisha and Edmond or wine and Cabefano.
Elisha Usuna Edmond.
Yes.
I'll go for something new.
I'll
go for something new.
Oh, okay.
Because one, my try Elisha Usu. No, I am not the one to tell them the players that they should
minimum, but I make sure say
national team now.
Say local boys in Libya and answer and Kwama on it.
There were so many players scattered across.
Oh, okay.
Measuring scope now, they assess players for national team. Let's look at this. Players are from so omumbebo. Any players are from so omumbe understudy. You give them a considerable period of time. My example, Fikayo Tomori is a regular for AC Milan, or both week in week out. England national team no friend for a period of understudy. Oba subsequently they've decided against calling him so Bo because coach in any thinking again said he can't move along with him on kind of plans on for the future.
Yes,
he was not even called up when the likes of Maga and Mote Bench were receiving call-ups and even starting.
Sompa Sports.
So yeah, well, every national team policy CSE team no yeah build it anymore. We can't consistently offer opportunities to players at one or more and then 2 years to me for you two almost for the future. Oh yes, Anna, it means you are denying opportunities other youngsters bibenya. What I was expecting they say we no anka under 23 team ne call Africa under 23 championship we slowly integrate them into the team. Eziam is playing. Anytime I say men member ball less. I have play video. Be has all be agenda mano. But Eziam a bomb and a club week in week out, and you can check it. Eziam or a midfielder. He's young. He's enterprising. Ghana from the age limit competitions now they are forced road yaba. So why don't you try him then? Mekaso ombebo. Akwenya odi ama Edmonado more training. Or they are picking themselves up, give such opportunities to some of these young boys. Send ye beya. At the time ye be who say be a parteni hon, Eziam ya man considerable time ye who say a fade ye. Sano eba be yes sir. What does it mean? It means that if Partey is not there now kofre Eziam ba, enya fe no be remfu fronti ebe foforo no. Ba wo ode o ma kokakra, am afede wate ase. If we don't do it that way, then the whole rebuilding thing now you can abuwa careful yeah, they be revolving around a select group of players the competitiveness was back call ups in the players
Bobby is a conseil Mickey reason see a 23 na best player that boy not the same 99 ideas by 99 ideas after we know you say your man akunya back
and your friend pe baka hwesiam Edmonado obayi me Edmonado ni say you movie on for me I feel say the Blasters no ntimi offer bibia me ne Mike adwen esiam you invite him oba at least esiam bebo 10 15 10 15 10 15
ode me ka say ombebom pra ba manembe ka
no understudy we mo
obi oye new a we integrating into the squad no at times of friend no oba mingle or befa the camp environment no feeling na afedie ene ne fa kakra so hu na amanyoma aye okay for him enti obonsa subsequently na wa settle na odi agro no se ne sene fata ba ya nya ne sa na ye no like debiano it looks like what's a ye be coin term be for a particular coach be about a template collab where they I think it was said about Abraham Grant.
Yes.
Yeah, can be sir. Template. No answer or my reflection normally. Let us not create that impression around your collapse. No? To me, so the best friend on Ado in present times, Kafafe de Dayu.
Sir.
The Dayu has more to offer the team than Edmond Ado. One, he comes with his experience. A crucial World Cup qualifier. A crucial World Cup qualifier. And you need something to ginger the team even before they get onto the field of play.
I mean, you're the Black Stars.
Now, your main captain is not there. Your second captain is not there. It's Ebeka Jordan Pe. So, Odibe Ferdinand, I don't know. For some slot, nema de da you. Number place our seniority role. Yes, or Babebo. And yes, there. Then offer the opportunities to your equally brilliant midfielders on the local scene. Then we have brilliant midfielders across the globe. I bet me at once from.
I want to say, Bentiasio. But as well as say, no, Mickey, and I sang with you. Bro, Cassim Adams, yeah. Cassim experience, but Cassim
Abdomini. Before say a quackable a name Mexico US. Satam Nes and come friend. You get it. You might collapse in a chair. And it is like me I meninka me how
oh yeah
right before that no in the previous game me I meninka call up where no anka at least one of our local central defenders should have been given a call up. You also want to ginger the atmosphere. Okay, let me sound controversial here. Kotoko defender no dey ade bonitino.
Rambo.
Omon friend.
Nuruddin. Nuruddin dem say there Ghana center backs no. The form na no den. E mo make me problem ne say won. So we did this in China. So our national team na. E ya na edu ba bi e den na akomia. Ya san kwa ye players ni bia. Akwese hu se we no nka ne mre na ayese ball no body e ba atwam.
And the same with Baba Idrisu. He was forgotten. All of a sudden, he's entered the fray.
Because Baba Idrisu, after the Nigeria game, be and I call AFCON be so performance and it done a year back.
They call Cameroon
no. Free on, he was out of the system. And he has not been exceptional one. You
the America. Ultimate monitor no born Rema you can.
Ultimate more. He has not been exceptional.
Maybe problem na ye no Mickey. Say ye kwa kokodu ba bia. As ye ni option bia na asan ko echi.
Because mama e wingers no fa listening
maybe perhaps ye widen your scope ni.
Mo fa listening my.
Meaning so they make an what
perhaps
ye widen your scope. Nti ya limiting no. Amankwa forcing. So Obama Salzburg. And I make us say players need the Abu. So, me 24 hours. Some member present an alternative squad for the Black Stars. You will replace some of the players in my squad no with more main squad.
It is a puzzle the money na wiara.
Puzzle so me so money because ana puzzle there no. Me can say Abdul Fattah Hamid. Me puzzle by any chances of boy there. But Abdul Fattah Hamid no from the Liberia game no our boy no then when the league performances now Mike I'll definitely have to agree
but in terms of fullback so offer Abdul Fattah Hamida I also offer Michael Lampadu
yes for the right back
Jonathan Sowa at present and you're the most informed attacker ever your league
Isaac Mintamo and also
but the justification is that when we didn't Akubi and we are building up on that. So on there say a city now Oma Kobaku mienu miensa. And then I'm there the Monado de no. And Mano de Wakwa Broteno. Wakwa na Broteno.
It is what I follow say I drop on the crew, you know. That's for the work on his offer.
I think there is an issue. Maybe I will pray. Because now say Hamburg me who know. Honestly, say one player, they have been very unfair to that boy. This boy shows up for every national assignment. Oba, he's not given ample time to justify. Maybe a training or then don't call him again. But friend Obeba, if he any Liberia boy with a Accra Sports Stadium, and no class with off bench never book a crazy. So the way you see idea no, it does not look so meritorious. It looks like money favor bimo at the expense of a bimo, and then the critics are problems, But when there is that environment, we say, okay, fine. Oh, say, oh, baby, you say with the Hurricane, the head, England, a crucial game, be no effect or bebo. It's because he's delivering or a captain. So,
hey, run for the ball.
I hope you get it. But England ball way no. On himself, Obeshia friendly match be and Obebo Cyprus be or Nations League mo. Almost was so moment time you been born. No, no about gum. No, almost what bash there. But then there. Whether rain or shine, area bo a numero, flat light or no flat light or more. That's at the end still. And
maybe we gas our konoka cray wingers in a day. Holiday show out to Muse.
We have personnel,
yes,
but they lack the chemistry. So, I'm lack is our chemistry. No, say, baby, if it is in symphony. They produce a good melody, but we know as will be a bonnet there. Obia person prove say may assume see. So, a boy effectively as a unit. The attack no problem. I want to know. We play more individualistic than say the collective. Inti ama omuyo omo nipa ba kubi. So you call Joseph Pencil. Obefre Kudus, Obefre Osman Bukari, but mu be shiemu a. Tanya o hwese be explosive because individual obia or talent no. But mu be shiemu a say ye cabo media agro no. Onya ne sa.
Me mate, mo friends why? Ochena beba. Ya ba na ya baba beto aso tu de be shia why. Tu say e mo bia